Uyu niguo uma muthenya wa mbere wa Kigomano Kia Maseneta. Kigomano giki gigitanywo guthii na mbere kwa ihinda ria thiku ithano. Muoroto wa Kigomano giki ari gufundithia maseneta mawatho na mitaratara ya mbunge ino. Wira wao ari guthurima murutire wa wira thirikari-ini cia kaunti na thirikari nene.
The Senate as the protector of devolution and the defender of counties and their governments is central in advancing Kenya's prosperity and development.
Sote tumekuja katika mabunge haya mawili hususan kuhakikisha kwamba msaidia Mkenya wa kawaida. Kwa hivyo ubabe wetu ikiwa utaleta mtafaruko mpaka hatuwezi kupeana huduma kwa Wakenya, basi itakuwa ni jambo la kufedhehesha.
Spika wa mbunge ino Amason Kingi akiendekithia mbunge ino ithukirwo kigina giakumahotithia gukinyaniria mawira mayo.
Let us not at any one given time try to be implementers of projects in our counties used that fund.
This house should be agreed that when the money comes, how is the money going to be shared? Are elected senators going to have access to the money in the same amount and in the same manner like in the counties where we have nominated senators?
Kamiti ya kuramata mishara SRC ni iriga kwehereria abunge mishara ya joherera. Kingi agitharia riendekithia riri itirongoreirie kwendekithia joherera ya mishara bunge-ini ya Senate.
The thing you're talking about is not really an allowance. It is a facilitation that will enable the senators to actualize their constitutional mandate.
Kumariria wathani wa thirikari cia matura wambiriirie mwaka-ini wa 2013 ndugamano ekonainie na mihaka ya mahinya gatagati ka mbunge ya bururi na mbunge ya Senate ya neyumiria. Atongoria aria manatungata mbunge-ini ici cieri magikura na bata wa mahinya ma mbunge ya Senate guthathaurwo makiria.
I urge the Senate to, among other things, set up a dispute resolution mechanism between the two chambers and county governments.
Maybe we have not done proper definitions both to Kenyans and to Parliament on the importance of that oversight function.
County governments are yet, and even CRA is yet to determine how much it costs to be able to perform a particular function.
Mbunge ino neregereirwo guthii na mbere na Kigomano giki muthenya wa rucio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.